So this is 1802 Plaza. This one's out of service. Look, it used to have Halo line. It went up.
It parked.
Look at this, closed for maintenance, so only one car works.
This is what the buttons were originally.
Originally Halo line.
Someone's knocking on the glass. But guess what we have inside? Something really epic,
Look at
y'all.
that.
Guess what kind it is? It's a Dover.
And with a nice loud fan.
Here we go.
Oh, two indicators.
Trespassing. Go closer and push the button. We all like that. Original indicator.
If you note closely, they like put tape over the end of like the arrows, the numbers, and they painted over it.
What do you think?
It's old.
I think this is a interesting elevator with crap.
It's a hydraulic, is it not?
Yep.
It's a hydraulic. You got 6 stories.
Got the logo on the floor.
There you go.
It's kind of cool.
Seems slow.
It's very slow. But it's a high hydraulic, which is nice.
On the back
It's kind of slow.
I know. Oh, we're down there.
Yeah, we're gonna be. And the other car doesn't work, so
We'll just go back up to 1.
don't suck on your vape when we're filming.
There's a vending machine over here.
Wow. Only Andrew would, but that'll be it.